Yeah, hello guys. If you stay with me to the end of this video, I'll show you how to make money on YouGov. Yes, on YouGov, and also show you step by step how to do the registration and then fill your profile so that YouGov will be able to match you with service every single day. So you don't have to skip, because if you skip, you are going to miss an important step of this video. I will not waste your time. The first thing you gotta do is
Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
okay, so welcome back. My name is Nanaya and I do videos about how to make money online and then learn at the same time. So if you are interested in that, all you gotta do is you hit on that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you'll be the first person to get the alert anytime I drop videos like this and then more. So as I said, I will not waste your time. So with that being said, let's head over to my screen and then get started. Okay, so congratulations, you've been with me so far to this page. Please, before we get started, please help me to like this video, because if you like it, YouTube will promote this video more. So please make sure you like the video. So first thing, join our community today to tell us what you think. Let me zoom it so that you see everything clear. Okay, so join our community today to tell us what you think. Get your opinions featured in the news, and then you earn money for answering questions and service. So express your opinion about interesting topics. So this is YouGov. Earn money for answering questions and service. You will earn points for taking part in YouGov service, which can turn into cash. Yes, as you can see here, every service that you do, you are going to earn points for that, and then those points you can redeem those points for cash or vouchers. So tell us what you think about interesting topics. On any given day, we might ask you for your opinions about your favorite brands, to breaking news or what you watch on TV. So YouGov is a service site where they give you service to do, and then you get paid at the end of the survey. You earn points actually, but later on you can turn those points for cash or real cash, something like that. So members testimonials. This is what this girl has to say. It's an easy way to spend 10 minutes and then you earn bits on the site, and interesting topics. You feel like you are part of the news. Bits of money for telling people what you I think great. So this website is really legit. And then they also have applications which is both available on the Apple Store and then Google Play Store. So both the iOS devices and the Android devices can download their application. If they don't find the website interesting, they can download the application and then use it. So before we move on to the registration, if you are in Africa, I urge you to grab a VPN and then turn it on to United Kingdom. Yes, grab a VPN and turn it on to United Kingdom, which is UK. Yes, and then my subscribers in India, Philippines, please grab a VPN and then switch it on to UK. So after you've turned on your VPN, I mean those people in Africa and then the other countries I mentioned, if you are in UK, there's no need to grab a VPN. So after that, you see this join now. I'll leave the link under the description. So this join now, you just put in your email here and then your password, and then there are two ways to sign up with this platform. It's either you join with your Facebook or your email account, but I recommend you join with your email account. So after you've put in there, you check this place. I agree with it, privacy policy and terms and condition, and then you click on join with email. When you click on it, you're going to see this page. So this means they've sent you an email with a verification code. So all you got to do is you visit your email account, and then you see the address, the confirmation code. You click on it and then it will verify. So let me go and check and then I'll be back. Okay, so the moment you confirm or you verify yourself through the email they send you, you'll be automatically logged into your account. As you can see in my dashboard in here, I have you have 0 points. So it's time for me to take action. So paid survey available. So this is what we are going to do right now. As you can see, I'm recording this video on Saturday 25th, and then it will be uploaded on Sunday 26th. So let me click on this one, and then okay, so this is it. And then please follow these steps very well, because this is more like your profile. This is what they are going to use to match you with available service. So please make sure you check them out. And then if you are still with me up to this page, please, if you haven't liked the video, please kindly like it for me, and then you can also hit on that subscribe button, so that if I drop any videos like this, you get notified the moment I drop. So as you can see here, welcome to your first YouGov survey. Let me zoom it. We are grateful that you are prepared to share your opinions with us. They will shape the news and improve decisions made by the organizations that serve you. In return for sharing your opinion, you will earn points which can cash in. In this first survey, we will explain what we do and how we do it. It will take you around 5 minutes, and you will earn 100 points. So let's click on it. Okay, so could you tell us why you joined YouGov? So I'll leave my referral link under the description, so you can click in here. Someone recommended it to me. And then YouGov conducts research all over the world. In which country or region do you currently live? We are currently living in UK, United Kingdom. Whether you are in Nigeria, Ghana, Philippines, India, wherever you are living in United Kingdom with this survey, because your VPN is already turned on to UK or United Kingdom. So you search for United Kingdom. Where is it? United Kingdom. Yes, that's it. So, and then you click on next. Okay, so we run surveys every day on almost everything to find surveys for you. We use the information you share with us. For example, most of our research is representative of the nation, which is why we need to know your gender, year, birth, and then to make sure our regional balance is correct, your postcode. As I said, this is more like profile, which they will use to match you with surveys. So if you are male, you select male. If you are female, you choose that one. In which year were you born? Please don't select your actual age. If you are young, gotta select 1990. 1990, that would be the best one. So you select 1990 from this page. 1990, yes, that's it. Sorry, 1990, yes. And then please enter your home postcode. So postcode, you can search on Google UK postcodes, and then you are going to find a lot of postcodes to generate. So from here I'll paste my postcode and then hit on next. Okay, so we will also ask you lots of questions about your views on social issue, your lifestyle and habits and commission. So what is your current marital or relationship status? Please, we are married. Whether you are single or not, you are married. Okay, so here, what do we have to choose? What ethnic group best describes you? Please select one option only. We ask the question in this way so that it is constant with census definitions. So we are white and we speak English. Please don't go and select black American or something like that. We are white. So you select that one and then we move on. Okay, so how much attention do you generally pay to politics? 10%. Okay, so talking to people about the general election in December 2029, we have found that a lot of people didn't manage to vote. How about you? Yes, I did vote. Which party did you vote for? Here you can select any of these. You can select any of these. I'll say Labour. Okay, so generally speaking, do you think of yourself as Labour? No. UK independence. Okay, so in referendum in 2016 on whether Britain should remain in or leave the I voted to leave. Talking to people about the European Parliament election in 3rd May 2010, we have found blah 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 vote. Did you? Okay, I did vote. These parts are not all that important. Which daily newspaper do you read most? Select the Express. What is the highest educational or work-related qualifications do you have? Please and please, here is really important. Here is really important. Choose university or CNAA higher degree. Example, master's degree, and then the rest. It is really important. Okay, so which of these applies to you? Working full-time. This is important. Do not select part-time or any of these. We are working full-time. Tell us which of the following options best describe the sort of work you do. And then here, we select manager. It is important as well. Do not select any other option apart from manager. Are you the chief income earner in the household? Yes. Are you self-employed? No, we are not self-employed. Do you work in any of the sectors listed below? Education service. Which of the following best describes the level within education service? Here we can choose university professor. Please, when filling this kind of surveys, be expensive. Don't look down on yourself like, no, I'm like individual, I'm an ordinary person, so you select. No, you have to be expensive so that they match you with expensive service. So please take note of this. And then this is a tricky question. This is what they do to make sure you are following the questions you are answering. Like people come here and then they select any option they like, but this is to make sure you are following the question. So please select the correct type of animal. So if you are not following, you go and select fish, and then they will know that you are not following the question. So could you please confirm that you consent to use of each of the following special categories of personal data? Blank, which the consent to. So you select all. You will be able to change this permission at any. You just select all. So I found this. That means you're done with your profile questions, and then you can rate the survey you just did. And then if you have any other thing, you can type in here if you got anything error or something like that. But if you didn't, you just click on next, and then boom, we are done with our profile. So from here we are going to be matched, or they are going to match us with service each and every day. So let's go to our dashboard, and then you can see our points has been added here, which is 100 points. You can also answer these kind of questions if you like, and then let's explore our rewards. Okay, so this is our rewards. I have 100 points at the moment, so you can you have enough points for any of the following items in red. Click to redeem. So this is the only payment option for the United Kingdom people, which you the moment you reach 50 pounds, you can withdraw it to your bank account, and then you enjoy. So the only payment option for this is bank transfer, and it supports the local ones and then even the international ones. So don't worry, the moment you hit or you reach 50 pounds, you can request for withdrawal and then redeem it into your account. So after filling the profile, after following me, you would qualify for more service and then and more. I'll also do a part 2 of this video. I'll do a video about United States accounts, so you gotta stay tuned for that one. You have a bunch of payment method or vouchers to redeem your points for, so you gotta stay tuned. This is for the UK, and then I also have another video which you can redeem your points for PayPal cash. So if you haven't watched that video yet, please check the top right corner of this video. You'll see a card there, click on it, and then it will direct you to the video I'm talking about, where you can do the service and then redeem your cash for PayPal money. As I said, I will also do a part 2 of this video where I'll be talking about accounts in the United States. So this is it, guys. This is what I have for you today. If you loved it so far, please hit on the like button, and then also if you're new to this channel, interested in making money online and then learn as well, then kindly hit on that subscribe button so that you'll be the first person to get the alert anytime I drop nice videos like this and then more. Hope to see you next time in the next video. Bye.